Hi! In front of me is NOKIA G22 and today I would like to show you how you can manage auto rotation. Firstly, just open tab menu and look for auto rotate icon. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now bright. That means that auto rotation is enabled, but you can always disable it by choosing the same shortcut again. If you wish to, you can also go into settings, tap on the display section after scrolling down, and in it, scroll all the way down. Lastly, click on this switcher next to Auto Rotate screen to enable or disable it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!